name is Girish Hiremath. I am Director for Business Acquisitions. I take care of business acquisitions for Office 2000 Solutions Private Limited. We do cater to corporates, BFSI, FMCG industries. We will do end-to-end audiovisual system integrations for them. Jabra PanaCast 50 is the right fit for the corporates. What we understand from the corporates are, yes, they are looking for a simple solution in the rooms, for their conference rooms. Jabra PanaCast 50 is having AI camera built in with 180 degrees wide angle coverage, and it has got microphones and speakers built into that. This would be the right fit for the corporates with a simple connectivity onto their solutions.
Hi, this is Thilipan. I am the VP for Strategic Business Development, and I'm also part of Business Acquisition team at Office 2000 Solutions Private Limited. The client had different types of rooms, sizes and shapes, and the requirement was to have a seamless audio-video collaboration sessions with whiteboard also getting captured. It was easy to install, kind of a plug and play. And with Jabra Direct application, it was easy for us to configure those devices and hand it over to the client. The client were really happy. The features like dynamic composition, whiteboard capturing really helped them to achieve what they really wanted. The client was happy because they were able to have seamless audio and video session and uninterrupted sessions, and with the final output of the installation.